Hey y'all, I'm out for a stroll, and I just happened to come upon Major General Alexander McComb, commanded the Army of the United States, hero of the Battle of Plattsburgh. This monument was erected because he was born here in Detroit. Now, I'm just wondering, how many necks of black folks did this man step on? I'm sure he looks like an upstanding white man. I'm sure he never used that sword to whoop up on anybody. Or could I just be wrong? They got a whole lot of shit going on down here. I got my snack bag, get my nuts on. Yeah, I don't want to lose no nuts. I already gave the wrong bitch some nuts. I ain't trying to give a squirrel a nut, period. So, here we're gonna hit you with the big gun. Can you imagine having to load this motherfucker all the way down that barrel? $18.38. They got 3 of these bitches right here. When I see statues and shit like this, I be wondering about the racist shit that they did. Yeah, motherfucker, if I could reach up there, I'd slap your ass, because I know you did some fuck ass shit. Look at this face. Fuck this motherfucker. Alright, y'all. I'm about to go get my pleasure on while they out here doing work and shit. And y'all see I got that red bitch out here today. Got that red motherfucker out here today. This bitch rides so good. Ooh wee! Can't wait to get my rims back together though. And if you're wondering why I got mismatched rims on there, one of those front rims is cracked. So I put the old 300 rims on the back of those bitches. But this motherfucker look nasty, y'all. This motherfucker look nasty. Still look good. Still look good, y'all. This motherfucker look nasty. How you doing? So what's up, y'all? Hey to you. I want to leave this bitch parked here, but this look like some illegal damn places. This is like I get towed like a motherfucker right here. Did I step on some shit? Oh no. Honestly, I gotta take a piss. I couldn't see no place to go piss. Yeah, cause that is. Hey bird, you want a nut? Hey bird, you want a nut? There you go. Get you a nut, girl. Get you a nut. Get you a nut, girl. Well, I guess y'all wondering what I'm talking about. Hey bird, you want you a nut? You want you a nut, girl? I gave the wrong bitch some nuts, so here, fuck it, I'll give you some nuts too. There you go, baby. Want some more? Want some more? There you go, chicken head. There you go. Whoop, whoop, chicken, chicken. Tiffany, didn't I tell your ass to stop stalking me? Come here, bitch. Come here. Come here, bitch. Eat out my hand. Come eat out my hand. Get your ass over here and eat out my hand. Come here. Come here. I'm gonna get her to eat out of my hand. Come on, eat out of my hand. Scary ass. Scary ass Tiffany. That was funny. She ain't that scared. Shit, I don't care about you yelling. Come here. Come here, girl. Come here, you stalking ass bitch. Come on, you know you hungry. Come on, you stalking ass bitch. My Facebook page is stalked more than chicks in the time with them. What? What? I can't hear you. What I'm doing to your bird?
Yeah.
That's your bird?
Oh, okay. No, look, it's my best getting food.
Oh.
It's eat a lot.
Well, you giving them that bullshit. They like my nuts better.
You see?
Yeah, I see.
Make you happy for this.
Uh-huh.
Sit dry.
Oh, that's grass seed.
Yeah.
Nah, they want some nuts. Back at you. Here you go. There you go. Oh shit, we got a chicken fight. They fighting over the chicken. They fighting over the bird seed. Okay, let's play this game. All right, y'all want to play? We gonna play. All right, in this here corner, we got the. Come on, who gonna get it? Who gonna get it? Who gonna get it out of my hand? Who want it? Who want it back? Here, birdie, 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 birdie. Here, birdie, birdie. Who want it? Oh, they about to peck each other's eyes out for this shit. They about to peck. Mine. There you go. Get it. You better get yours. You better come get yours, pretty lady. Go on, get yours, Toya. I got them right ready to fight. I said I wasn't giving you bitches none. You bitches always want something out of us niggas. Y'all stay wanting my nuts, huh? Come on. Who gonna get it? There you go. Come on. You brave. You about that life. Eating out the palm of my hand. Got that bitch eating out the palm of my hand. He's scaring the shit out of my birds. Come on. Who gonna eat? Who wants some? Come on. Come on, you bitter bitch. You know you want some child support. Come on, you broke bum bitch. Come get some. Come get some. I heard you eating out the palm of my hand. Get your scary ass on. You the one that ain't scared. Come on, here you go, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Quit fighting. It's enough for everybody. Oh, they don't like them cranberries. Obviously, I'm bored and ain't got shit to do. All right, y'all. I done shared enough of my shit. I got plenty of nuts for you if you want some too. I got plenty of nuts for you. If you want some too, ooh, I got plenty of nuts for you. Ooh, if you want some too, hey, plenty of nuts for you. Hey, if you want some too, you want some nuts, baby? You want some of these nuts? You know you want you a nut. I'm out of here, y'all. Fast. Bye-bye. Hey, Stacy, you know I'm silly as hell. I don't get no damn fucks. I'll holler at y'all later.